how much should you actually spend on a carbon fiber pickleball paddle? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, TNVINA Pickleball Paddle. First up, we have the TNVINA Pickleball Paddle priced at $40.99. What caught my eye is its unique multi-layer T700SC carbon fiber construction, which is highly rated with 4.8 stars from over 1,100 reviews. If you want a paddle that delivers strong spin and power, this is worth a serious look. The polymer honeycomb core enhances the sweet spot, making it easier to hit those precision shots. Plus, with options for different sizes and thicknesses, you can choose what suits your playstyle best. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This paddle combines lightweight materials with an ergonomic grip, ensuring that even during long games, you won't feel fatigued. Now, some people complained about the paddle being slightly heavier than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for power over lightweight feel, this extra weight can actually help in delivering more solid hits. So it's not a deal breaker for those who value performance. This is perfect for you if you're serious about improving your game and want a paddle that can adapt to your style. Skip this one if you're only playing casually or prefer ultralight models. At this price, it's a solid investment for serious players. Now, if that weight concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, GARYE Pickleball Paddle Set. Next up is the GARYE Pickleball Paddle Set, retailing at just $39.98. This set includes 2 paddles and has a 4.6-star rating from 1,300 reviews, which is impressive. If you're looking for a lightweight, durable option that includes everything you need, this is worth a serious look. The high-density polypropylene honeycomb core combined with thick carbon fiber plates gives you a perfect balance of power and control. Weighing only around 7.7 to 8.1 ounces, you'll find it easy to maneuver. Plus, the cushioned, sweat-absorbent grip ensures you'll have a secure hold during those intense rallies. Here's why this matters for you. Having a comfortable grip can make a significant difference when you're in the heat of the game. Now, some users mentioned that the paddles can feel a bit too light for advanced players. Here's the thing, though, if you're a beginner or intermediate player, this lightweight feel can actually help you develop your skills without the strain of heavier paddles. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comprehensive set that grows with your skill level. Skip this one if you're already an advanced player who prefers heavier paddles for more power. It's a fantastic value for money, especially for those starting out. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize quality and performance. Product number 3, VUFO XT Pickleball Paddle Set. Now let's check out the VUFO XT Pickleball Paddle Set priced at $37.99. This set has a 4.6-star rating from over 2,200 reviews, which is quite impressive. If you want solid performance at an affordable price, this is worth a serious look. The VUFO XT paddles meet USAPA standards, making them great for both casual play and tournaments. Weighing in at 7.8 ounces, it's light without compromising stability. The polymer honeycomb core enhances durability while delivering excellent ball control. Here's why this matters for you. It means you can confidently go for those hard shots without worrying about mishits. However, some users found that the design could be a bit too generic. Here's the thing, while the aesthetics might not stand out, the performance is what really counts, and this paddle delivers where it matters. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable paddle without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something with flashy looks or if you're playing at a highly competitive level. It's a great deal for the performance it offers. Now, if you found the previous paddle too basic, wait till you hear about our next choice. Product number 4, JOJOLEMON Pickleball Paddle. Next, let's talk about the JOJOLEMON Pickleball Paddle, priced at $109.99. This one boasts an impressive 4.8-star rating from 1,500 reviews. If you're serious about your game and want top-notch quality, this is worth a serious look. The extended handle is a game changer for two-handed backhand players, offering better leverage. Here's why this matters for you. Having that stability can make all the difference when you're playing competitively. Some users expressed frustration about the higher price point. But here's the thing, if you're looking for durability and performance that can last through countless games, investing in this paddle could save you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate to advanced player looking for precision and control. Skip this one if you're just starting out or if you prefer a budget option. This paddle is truly an investment in your game. Alright, that was a high-end option. But if you're looking for something more budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, the last one on my list might be just what you need. Product number 5, MTEN Pickleball Paddle Set. Finally, we have the MTEN Pickleball Paddle Set priced at $33.99. This bestseller has an impressive 4.7-star rating from over 8,200 reviews. If you want a reliable paddle set at a great price, this is worth a serious look. The paddles are USAPA approved, which means they're suitable for tournament play. Weighing between 7.78 and 7.8 ounces, they strike a good balance for players who want both power and control. Here's why this matters for you. This combination can help you improve your game significantly, especially if you're still finding your rhythm. However, some users noted that the paddles could feel slightly bulkier compared to others. Here's the thing, though, this added bulk translates to more stability, which can be a plus for beginners who are still mastering their technique. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable set that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you're an experienced player seeking specialized equipment. You really can't beat this value for what you get. So to quickly recap, we have the TNVINA for power, the GARYE set for beginners, the VUFOXT for a budget-friendly option, the JOJOLEMON for serious players, and the MTEN as an affordable bestseller. Each of these paddles has its unique strengths, so it all comes down to what you need from your game. Whatever you choose, happy playing.